Two arrested after gun battle on Marcus Garvey Drive.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
The police say they have apprehended two men following an early morning gun battle along Marcus Garvey Drive in Kingston on Tuesday morning. Reports are that one of the suspects, who is now in custody, was shot and injured during the standoff. The men are suspected members of a criminal network, this according to the police. According to the police, about 5:30 a.m., a patrol team was on Marcus Garvey Drive conducting spot checks when officers saw two vehicles being driven in a manner that aroused their suspicion. The drivers of the vehicles were reportedly signaled to stop but ignored the instructions and opened fire at the cops. A gun battle reportedly ensued before the suspects attempted to escape on foot. However, the police gave chase and two men were apprehended. One of them found to be suffering from gunshot wounds. He was taken to hospital where he was treated and later released into the custody of the authorities. A subsequent search of the motor vehicles, a Nissan Latio and a Toyota Probox, revealed approximately 500 pounds of compressed ganja. The incident happened at the intersection of 4th Street and resulted in a major traffic pileup along the busy thoroughfare.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.